has already concluded the research scholars meet. Most of the things he has already covered. But only thing, on a personal level also I would like to tell this, that sometimes you might find that we are very harsh. But why we are harsh? Why we scold you all the time, or most of the time? It is for ensuring the quality. Because personally, it took me 20 years. Recently, I've completed 20 years in teaching, and that too in this department. So, 20 years I have been nurturing this department out of nothing. We didn't even have a building, or we didn't even have a classroom, or I didn't have a cabin. So we had the classes in the morning. Archana knows this. She was also a student that time. So when I joined in this department, there is no room, there is no research, and I am sitting in the canteen because I don't have a place to sit. So I am operating from there. So in the real kind tourism, right? So we are there, sitting there. But you know about the research and all. Fortunately, unfortunately, research started in our department and we didn't have any guides. So I have faced so many hardships. Without the guidance of my assigned guide, I could complete the PhD work. So that was not up to the mark. This is what I feel. So I always wanted that my scholars, they should be the best in the country, at least in the country. They should be best in the world. So that is the reason why every now and then we try to tell you something. I have scolded Rani so many times, or Sonali, or Tushar, or Mangesh hundreds of times. Why? Because your topics are the best. Whatever topic we have assigned to you, or whatever we have discussed, now we always keep a futuristic view, madam and me. Whenever we work on a research project, or whenever we start a new research, that research is relevant in the future. So to give you 2-3 examples, like including my own research, when we started this Ambedkar, the places related to the life of Dr. Ambedkar, the same research, whatever findings are there, they are mentioned by the Honorable Prime Minister. The same things he mentioned Panchatirthas. We studied 8 places, Prime Minister has quoted 5 places. Whatever we have recommended in my report, the same kind of development is still going on. So that is one part. So this is just one example. To tell you about Madam's research, ecotourism was the pioneer research study in this region, Maharashtra. The same things have been taken by the government of Maharashtra. Our other project of port tourism, again every day we read a news. So we completed it long back. The same things are being developed by the government. Chinmay's topic, the same thing has been quoted by the Honorable Prime Minister. We started it long back. Before he became the Prime Minister, we have started the research. But when he became the Prime Minister, he is talking about that. CSR, the same thing. CSR also, we are the pioneers. Medical tourism, again, we are the pioneers. So whatever topics have been assigned to you, like for Rani and Mangesh, this crime and tourism and child sex tourism, these are very, very unique topics. Nobody has touched these areas. Arshada's topic, or even Pallavi's topic, everybody's topic, it is very unique. And when people read this, when they see my CV or Madam's CV, they particularly ask, who is this scholar? What is this topic? Or why, how he is working on this? So they are interested, they create an interest, they want to know more about this, they want to interact. So this is the thing we are doing. So for that reason, everybody has to be regular. They have to take care. Once you start coming to the department, once you start working hard, one fine day what will happen? Now I always give the example of Anil. He is my first scholar in tourism with a PhD. From nowhere, he was a student of my mother in a very small school from Marathi medium. But the way we groomed him, today is recognized worldwide. So he is just one example. So every student, every scholar of our department, he should go and reach that levels. Everywhere you should be recognized. Every time you should get the success. Tushar is sitting here, he was nowhere.
Yes.
He had no job. But we told him, I told him that you go in this direction, you fight for your rights and you'll get. Just on a phone call, he got an appointment as the assistant director. So there are so many things which we can do to help our students and the scholars. So today, maybe it is by the grace of the Almighty, or it is because of our hard work and dedication of the last 20 years, today we are having a good position in the country and in the world. So people, they look to us and they readily agree to whatever we say, specifically the recommendations. If we tell that, sir, this is my scholar and you have to do this for him, so they will readily agree. Not only in terms of employment, but also in terms of the other things. And like most of you have already experienced this. So the students, they are getting the placements and all. So but our focus is specifically on the research. Now Arshada's research, it is very interesting. So she will get a good name, not only in the country but in the world. And she is again working hard. Baba Sahib, everybody, every student. So I leave it to you. I am taking my own efforts. My role is like that of a sculptor. I am trying to create a sculpture, the most beautiful, the most successful. Now it depends upon you. You are the rock surface. If you are like what do you call marble, or granite, or an ordinary rock, it depends on you. I am trying my best. So it should be reciprocal. Whatever we are doing, it is for your betterment and for the name and sake of our department and university. Again, it is named after Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. So we have to maintain some of the standards, because nobody will reach that heights. But when you say that a student of this university, already the name of our university is not good. Academically, our name is also good in some terms. But the usual branding of our department, of our university, it is not that good in the society or in the state of Maharashtra. But it is because of the representatives, like when the teachers, professors, when they go to other places, when they interact with the other people in another university or in the society or maybe in the ministries, they judge that this professor is from this university. Because of this professor's image, because of his knowledge, because of his content of knowledge, or overall his personality, they carry an image of the university. So everybody has to do this. So that is why again many a times I again scold the scholars that you should be coming in this proper attire, grooming or your personality, your clothing. So everything is being observed in the society. And you are carrying this name. And you are, of course, our relation is very different. In our tradition we say there are so many things, but the place of a guru is always the highest. But here in our context, it is like the researcher and the guide. So this relation would be forever. Like you have a name and you are putting your parents' name. It is for your personal life. But in your professional life, the name of your guide would always be there. And this is the reason why I always ensure that the student, the scholar, he should be the best. Because we have struggled hard to attain this position. And because of a single individual, this name should not be shattered. This image of ours the guides and the professors. It should not be shattered, right? Because if you look at our other colleagues who were there in the department, this is very specific. Most of the times I have quoted this, that my colleague was there, or there are so many other colleagues in other departments. You just see to their collars. You look at them, what they do, how they have obtained their PhDs, and what regards they have for their teachers, or what kind of free gifts they have given to the students as the PhD degrees. They are not even worth. When my scholar, like one scholar was there, he was working on my project, Daulat was there. So Daulat is a hotel management graduate, he is working in the IRCTC. Somehow he came to me and he joined in my project. So I am taking him along with me, and I am working on a BOS in Nagpur University, Hotel Management, Board of Studies in Hotel Management. Now we are going to the best college in Nagpur, and there the teachers who are not PhD, they want to know something from us, so they are interacting with me. So I could respond to them for some time. Now they are talking to Daulat. And Daulat, who is not even a PhD scholar, but he has sound knowledge because he is with me. He is telling the faculty what is research, how we should do it. So that is the quality. Even when we hire a student on a project, we ensure that he is properly groomed in that particular subject. And today, a student from a very small place, Daulat, today is working in a National Institute of Hotel Management, in culinary management in Tirupati. So just because he was here for some months, he was groomed, he could live with us, he could learn so many things. When I am not there, he is always with the scholars, and you can see the difference. Even I think he is your student from your institute.
He also got PhD.
No, he also got PhD. One thing I'll again tell you. Now she mentioned about PhD. He is still one of my good students, but I didn't give him a registration for PhD. Why? Because his PG was from an open university, and that technically I didn't find it good enough for this particular degree of PhD from our university, or exactly from my side, because I have refused to so many students. Some of them, they happen to be my relatives, but I didn't consider them for PhD. No doubt I made them lecturers, I selected them as lecturers, but for PhD I didn't give them a seat. Why? Because they are not qualified for that. They have not yet been groomed. They don't have that intellectual or that particular level of understanding or knowledge. So this is very, very, from my side, it is very, very difficult. And you are the most luckiest people that you have got the registration. Maybe tomorrow 10 more people would be getting the, the guideship. They would also be guiding. Maybe in tourism also. But we have to ensure our own standards. We cannot go down, we cannot fall from our standards. So this is the reason every time we are focusing and ensuring the quality. You have also the responsibility that you should take care, and not only to my expectations, but when we look at our university and our Vice Chancellor or all authorities, they want to make this university into a central university or world-class university. So we are also part of that. How it would become a world-class? Today I can say that our department, Vice Chancellor has said it is best in the country. But today I can ensure that this would be a world-class department. Because after visiting 8 university departments in 1 year, we have found this. Like for example, when we were in the Wakayama University, Center for Tourism Research, the professors, they are so much, they are in attention talking to us, And when they saw our CV and our research, so they thought that we are somewhere from an alien country or some alien, because they have never heard this kind of research. They said that we are in the beginning stages of research. Though their infrastructure is the best in the world, but in terms of research, in terms of knowledge, they are far behind of us. And Japan is one of the leading economies, leading countries of the world. But when it comes to tourism and tourism research, they will join hands. They will say, "You are the gurus." So this is what we have achieved, and we have to maintain that. So with this, I thank the scholars who are present over here, and the scholars who are absent today, we will give them an ultimatum that they have to be present here for the alternate RSM, and if they fail to do so, we will have to take some or the other kind of action, because when we have to ensure the quality, we have also to ensure the discipline, and if that is not maintained, then nobody is near and nobody is dear. Discipline is discipline and quality is quality. So we will convey to them, and when that remaining students RSM would be conducted again, everybody would be there. And even if for that, if they don't appear, then we will definitely take some action. So with this, I thank you for attending this event, listening to us, and wishing you a very happy, bright, prosperous and fruitful new year 2070. More good news are coming. Already he has taken the initiative, Baba Sahib. Tushar's friend is getting married tomorrow.
Yes.
His two classmates. He will also be getting married maybe this year. We don't know. No, we don't know. Harshada and Chinmay. Who else is remaining? Sonali. So maybe we will get more news, good news. So for us, already we are married, so there is no question of marriage. ठीक है? So thank you.